Hello, guys. Hopefully, you're having a nice day. So, my next class is on Tuesday at 3 p.m. as usual. So, in today's class is not a normal one. So, I'll not be teaching any very specific topic, but rather I'll be going through a list of things that is really necessary for people who have not never tried competitive programming and are trying to get into it. So I'll be cover different things like the different contests that people can participate in, like their rules, prizes, etc. Apart from the interviews, the strategies you can use to use those rules for your own advantage, developing a good problem solving ability, the philosophy behind problem solving. So you can see that there is a lot to learn here, even if you are an intermediate programmer. So yeah, also like different ways to practice some code templates, even STL, C++, STL. So I hope you guys join and both of us can learn from each other. Like I like a class that is interactive. So thank you in advance for joining.